Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to unzoom your phone. For example, your iPhone is stuck in zoom mode, right? So technically I cannot show it to you right now because mine is not on stuck on zoom mode, right? So first things first, use the 3-finger method. Try clicking your screen 2 times with your 3 fingers. Usually you only choose 1 or 2 fingers to click, right? Now try clicking your screen twice using your 3 fingers, okay? Next one is force restarting your iPhone. How can we do that? Basically, you can click on the side button, which is the power button, and then the lower volume button at the same time. Hold it until you see the Apple logo, goes back, and then turns black on the screen, right? Do not remove the hold of your power button, the side lower button or volume lower button until you see the Apple logo turns back up. That's how you first start your iPhone. And then lastly is gonna be your zoom settings. So hop onto settings really quickly and then choose accessibility. And then as you can see there's zoom. As you can see on my end, it's technically turned off. So if I click on enter right here, right now it's currently on zoom. If I click on double screen, the 3-finger method, right now it's removed, right? As you can see right there. Now there should be a shortcut right here, keyboard shortcut, smart typing, zoom controller is turned off. If I click on that one, you'll see this little hoverboard right there. If I click on that, you'll see zoom in, zoom out. I can control it as easy. So hide controller or choose filter right there. It's not really important. So basically just turn off your zoom option right there to save you for any trouble of zooming in your iPhone. So technically that's how you fix your zoom in mode on your iPhone. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Have a safe one.